Maybe if you could start just by giving like a brief sentence or so about what your business is and how long you've been doing it and so forth. So,
So it's kind of stemmed out of trauma. I work with a lot of women who experience childhood sexual trauma.
so how was your business kind of impacted in the last year? Was that a factor, or was that a?
So more clients, but I had to find a different way to work with them.
And if you have a vision for your, where you want to go, what would that be, in terms of?
I would, probably do some coaching. I want to, on the other end of, for me, would be group coaching.
How did the workshop connect to that, or how did
The second day I came in, the ideas just start popping. Like for me, just everything just started popping, and where I'm supposed to go and how to do it, and it's still working. I'm telling everybody about this workshop. I was like, I don't know when they're coming back, but it was great for me. I put my all into it. I made some great contacts. I like the facilitators' calm view of it all. And I'm in a panic because I'm like, I don't know what to do, and I'm thinking all these other things. And the facilitators were able to put focus to the business.
Which of the exercises did you find particularly useful, or, yeah?
I'm still using, and I like, it was a gearbox. It was a gearbox, yes. It was a gearbox. And I was like, I copied that a couple of times because there's things I want to do.
Just in general, did it kind of accelerate getting where you're going to, or sort of did it break down barriers, or did it sort of, how did it kind of help you move forward, I guess?
It excelled because I was able to shift ideas. One of the facilitators told me to think about the market every time I post content, think about the market and get the people were like, were responding, were talking. And then I added a video and I was like, oh my goodness. So it changed. I mean, it changed the way I do things in general with any of my social media. Actually, I knew some of the things, but this pandemic shift is like, what is that? I said, it was this program. I got to get into this. She's like, yeah. I said, it changes your perspective. You have to be in the class to know what it really means. So she's like, okay, so I got to take the class. So it was good. It was really a great program. Really, it really was. I've been to a lot of workshops. It's usually stuff that I already know, and I'm like, what a waste of time. But this was not. Mm-mm.